Bitcoin reached exactly our target we was looking for in the last update. This was planned before we even dropped. You can see here was looking for this very nice, more likely here C wave to the downside with a longer Y wave to go back minimum here around 58,000 really. And so yeah, the thing was Bitcoin will hit a new low before a major rally. So now the thing is it going to rise from our target? Sorry, you can see here 56,700. Well, this is the second VPM. The first we can see on the chart here, but it was the second one in the previous update. We can see here 56,700. This is pretty cool. So now, yeah, we're simply going to cover if we're going to get a bigger increase in price from here or not, what we can get and what I don't want to see. Before to start, I just want to remind you there is a contest at the moment running on the website where you can win $500. This $500, of course, it's worth in Bitcoin. In Bitcoin, it's a price pool, so you won't get the $500 alone like this. It's divided by the 3 winners in the ranking. So the first place will get $300, the second one $125, and the third place $75. So this is a contest on the Elliott Wave license. You have a course right here. Oh, I'm not logged in. Oh well, anyways, so you have, oh well, just 2 seconds please. All right, there you go. So you have a course, Elliott Wave here, okay, in the course section, and you have all these lessons right here. So you will get 10 lessons at total, and for the moment, the contest here is for on the ABC flat, ABCD triangle, and XY, X, and Z. Okay, so the first quiz, the first contest was a $300 prize pool. The second one is now a $500 prize pool, and the third and last contest, because you will get another one in June, will be a $1,000 prize pool, and this one will be really on the full Elliott Wave course, and you will get 10 lessons at total. So if you want to get a chance to win, well, to be part really of this $500 prize pool, simply go and get your chance, really play the contest, and you will get a chance to, well, depends how you play the quiz really. If you win more points, you have more, how you will be in the ranking. And well, if you have the same amount of points, the fastest completion really will be the winner. But anyways, on this being said, just to reward you for your learning, and yeah, that's it really. So if you want to learn learn your waves and get paid at the same time, feel free to go and check this out. Anyway, so here, XY, the thing is now, the C wave, do we have 5 waves inside here? Well, personally, I really struggle to count some 5 waves, to be honest with you. Done already, it's possible that we have done a wave 3, 4, 5, okay? But again, the wave 3, 4, 5 is extremely small. These days, it's okay, to be fair. We can look for this because Bitcoin is doing some bit of weird waves sometimes. But yeah, it's still a bit less probable. The reason also why I'm possibly looking for a new low here is simply because if you pay attention here on the lower time frame, do we have the 5 waves up to start the bigger wave 5? Because the thing is just gonna control the everything. But if, for example, here now the C wave is done and the Y wave is done, okay, what are we looking for next? Well, next, if we zoom out, okay, so after this XY, we're simply looking for, so the wave 4 bottom to be in, it's simply a correction to the wave 4, and next we look for the wave 5. So if we have to be into this wave 5, we need to get some 5 waves impulsive or an ending into the wave 5. So in any case here, we have to get some small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to start either a bigger A, B, C to make next an ending, okay, so here to the upside, or to make a bigger wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish this wave 5. So we have to get then a bigger 5 waves there. But to get these bigger 5 waves into the wave 5, we need these small 5 waves up first. The thing is now, do we have these small 5 waves up to really start, for example, even this wave 1, okay, this first wave of this small 5 waves? Well, the answer is no. Okay, we have more likely here a correction. Is it possible still to get this impulsive, this impulsive up here? It's possible if we have done, for example, a truncated wave here. For example, if the correction from before is ending here. If we end from here, we have in that case here a 5 waves up, a correction, and for now another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or if we are really bullish from here, a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, and then bam, 3, 4, 5, and then bam, 3, 4, 5, and then bam, 3, 4, 5, and we continue like this. Okay, so it is possible, but again, is it the most probable to end up like this with a truncated wave, so to speak, to end up with a wave that stopped before the previous low? In terms of probability, it's a lot less probable. So do we look for this? No. Now I am aware of it, and so I know it is possible. But in terms of probability, normally it's less probable. So by the way, what can be in that case? This smaller wave here can be simply here, so a XY first, in that case, a bigger W, a next, and then a Y wave with an ABC zigzag. Okay, so 5 waves, correction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, A, B, C. So what we can do here, if you want to trade this, well, you can of course trade this lower time frame range until it breaks. You have the range top, the range bottom. You simply have to trade this. If you want to add some more confidence, you can simply pull the extension tool right here from the, I think it's there by the way, so of the ABC zigzag. So from the A wave root to the A wave top to the B wave bottom at the extension target. So MC extension 100%, 123. Sorry, and the 1618, 200% as always for the invalidation of the pattern. Then you can pull the extension tool for the, of the WXY, so bam, W root, W top, X wave bottom, MC extension, so you have the 618, but now we are above, so we don't care, 71, 786, 100%, 123, then you have the 1618 a lot higher, but I mean, to go that high normally, no, okay, so I'm going to stay with this target for the moment. This can bit of confidence really. We can end up as always with a truncated here. It shows a weakness of pushing high on the strength of making a new low, and we can look for this simply because we have a higher, a new high made on the RSI really. Okay, so this is something I will, well, this is what I'm looking for mainly right now on the lower time frame. Now, as I said, if we have to be bullish, it's not impossible. We can be, in that case the low is made here and not before, because we cannot start like this bigger rise with a triple wave. So yeah, this is the smaller time frame consolidation here, and so in that case we can look possibly for one more new low, and so for bam, a possible new low here too. And in that case, what are these waves to the downside here? Well, we are in a C wave. We need in that case to get some 5 waves down, so we can look simply for a wave 1, a wave 2 here with an ABC flat, a wave 3, a wave 4. Okay, and then we can look for a possible less wave down for a wave 5. It will match also with this nice possible again, it depends how far we're going to go with this, okay, how far if we make a new high or not, but for example, we can look for, well, stop some few shorts before, and then bam, go trigger some few stop loss down here of the longs, so with this hidden shoulder really, where we can just trigger some few stops there. That will be lovely to go and trigger some few stop loss here. That will be, yeah, really lovely. Anyways, so yeah, this is what we can look for possibly, I mean, more likely really on Bitcoin if we talk about PRIMEXBT. Just gonna hide this lower time frame stuff there. And in any case, the targets, if you don't really care about the higher time frame, the targets remain the same. Don't forget the just gonna hide that for the moment. The first target is hit. Okay, I mean the first target really below, okay, because the first one was already here. We already got a bounce. Now the second target is hit. So, well, you know what it means if you want to bet on this configuration, right? Just a reminder about what I don't want to see is the RSI holding the new low on the weekly time frame like this. Why? Simply because if you remember good here, we normally should be, if we have to be bullish still, in a wave 4, and as always, a wave 4 cannot break the wave to bottom on the RSI. So if we have to be in such configuration, we have to close the weekly call and reclaim before Sunday night really. So we have to, well, we should normally close above this bottom there. Okay, now we are still into the weekly count. It's not closed yet, so we can still reclaim and not close below. Okay, that's why I want that would be better to reclaim this week, otherwise this will not be valid anymore, and so we might be in some other waves that we'll cover later, not today really. Okay, but yeah, just want you to be aware of this weekly invalidation that we possibly start to get, so be a bit more careful. Now, well, let's trade the lower time frame as always. The only thing we need to do is to trade everything based off the reaction. We just have to read the order flow, see what's going on behind the market, and by reading this data you can make some really good trades. I don't have this code open at the moment, but yesterday I've got some nice trades already on the chart. But yeah, so just be aware of this weekly time frame RSI invalidation. Okay, the wave 4 cannot break the wave 2 normally. Now we need to see the candle close really. Now it's not closed yet, so we have 3 days and 11 that are remaining to reclaim everything. And yeah, that's it really. So good luck to you all in your trades. Just gonna add back this nice WXY and hide these right there. Perfect. And so yeah, this right here is of course still in play. Okay, this is of course still in play at the moment. There is no full invalidation at the moment. It's not confirmed to get to that we are fully invalidated on this. So yeah, it is still in play. That's pretty cool. This followed perfectly. Don't forget, if you want to learn Elliott Waves, you are at the right place. You have a brand new Elliott Wave course waiting for you there on the website, course section. You can find the Elliott Wave course there. You have all these lessons right there to learn, really. And the contest, the second contest that you're running at the moment, there are only 3 days remaining, is on the 3 latest lessons only. So ABC flat, ABCD triangle, double DXY and double DXY extended, because yeah, the first contest was on the 4 first lessons. Now we have the 3 next, and you will get, after, of course, this week of contest, you will get, bam, 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 if I can find the calendar. So after we are in May, bam. So now we are the second, so we are on Thursday here. So yeah, you have 3 days remaining, and then we continue with 3 more lessons. So we'll get the leading, ending, the raw cases, and the Elliott Wave plus the RSI. Once this is done, you will get 2 weeks of live chartings, really, so you can get some experience from me and not only learn the theory, really. And once you've got this, third contest, $1,000 prize pool this time, and this will be a general Elliott Wave quiz. That's the reason why. So you have 2 weeks before to go with the contest here. You have 1 week here, 1 week here before to go with the general Elliott Wave quiz, the third contest. Because yeah, this will be on everything on the whole course, so it's a bit more, well, complex, really, if we can say that. So yeah, make sure to learn the lessons good, to learn it with the right way. And if you learn this to learn the right way, really, if you just learn it right and good, you will be able to win some nice money. Anyway, on this being said, I wish you all a brilliant day. Take care of you, and catch you all in the daily update tomorrow at 10 a.m. UTC+2 for the next one. Cheers.